Alright, good evening. We're going to try adding a little bit of audio to certain sections, some more audio cues. I want to see how it sounds if you add like a little sound like that when you enter the cave. Almost feel like maybe making that shorter. We will see. Or I could just make it faster, and that's the effect of making it shorter. And yeah, thinking of adding detail to some of these places, and I was thinking maybe adding lore right here. I'm thinking this is going to be like a like this log and other stuff is going to have fallen from like a sinkhole. Alright, let's export this. Let's make a little audio trigger. Is there no mono? I guess there's no mono for AUG. Alright, how do I want to trigger audio by where you go? So when you hit right here, that's where I want to trigger the audio sound. Let me see if Unity has something. I think I'll just need to make a trigger and play an audio. Alright, yep, I just need to make a class for this. Alright, now I'm thinking if there's any times when you would want these to be played more than once. How would I check as well if this colliding object is an audio listener? Should I guess I could do like get components in children audio listener. Yeah. Maybe try both. I don't know if I feel like this isn't that efficient, but yeah, might as well. I search parent as well? No, because physics objects that do triggers will always be like roots. Okay. Huh. Should I make this once? I guess I should make it optional. We'll only play once. Wait. Disable on trigger. Yeah, 3 streams per day, man. We're gonna make this actually playable. Audio trigger.audio hides inherited member component.audio. Use the new keyword if hiding was intended. Okay, I wonder if audio.play will work then, or if it's deprecated. It's obsolete. Okay, that's what I thought. So we'll just do audio source. So we're trying to add a little bit of some audio triggers now. When you get to like this location here, I made this yeah. But now I need to I didn't have a script that plays audio on triggers before, so now we do. And we'll create that. What should I call that? Cave entry audio. So we'll do a box collider, make it a trigger. Put it somewhere the player has to walk through. Do the audio source. Oh yeah, I should force to mono and normalize. And no 3D, no reverb zone. No play on awake. The audio might be too loud. I'm gonna put it down to 0.6. And then we just do audio trigger. I guess I could just get the audio source, but whatever. Let's test it. Actually, let's do a playthrough from the beginning. Okay, the water's probably too transparent now. Also, can I walk up here? I might need to put a, yeah, I'll need to put a box collider right there. It didn't play anything. Oh my god, because it disabled it right away, right as it was playing the audio. Oh my god. Of course. Of course it did. Okay, so only play once. Wait, I should remove the box collider too. Hmm. Let's just try doing enabled equals false. Oh wait, and yeah, I'm gonna put the out of bounds box collider. I'm also gonna test these particles. Wait, did it not save the material here? Why are the alpha transparent additive? Why are the particles all white and don't have any colors from the actual particles? Is it because they're metallic? No, it's not. They're just not. They're not getting the colors for whatever reason. Maybe custom vertex streams. No. Maybe color over lifetime. No. I can't tell if this is the universal render pipeline bugging or my brain bugging. So that works. Apply active color space. Position normal tangent UV. Yeah, like it is all matching up. What is this shit? Oh my god. It's because of the specular bug in the universal render pipeline. Holy shit. That is so annoying, man. Oh my god. So even when the color is set to complete black, it outputs complete white because of the way the specular works. Oh my god. So I might need to make them unlit, or I don't know what simple lit is, but alright, it seems like simple lit has the exact same issue. Maybe we can access it in advanced. No, but you can see it outputs complete white even when all of the color maps and colors are set to 0. So there's no way for you to make some particles darker past this point. There's no way to make them darker past this point. They always reflect it. Like it's, oh my god, it's actually so bad. The universal render pipeline, man, is like, it's got some issues. So even making, so the only thing I can do is make the alpha smaller. Unless I switched it to a non-particle shader. But that wouldn't work. Does this work now? Oh my god, this multiply might work. Allows it to get dark. Still not amazing though. Still not amazing. Alright, how does this work and does it trigger? Yeah, that definitely doesn't seem to render as well. Maybe it's because I changed the metallicness. Yeah, that might be better. Okay, it triggered it twice, so it didn't work. Amazing. It's gonna trigger again when I walk in here. I'm pretty happy with the lighting, like the ambience so far. Alright, I'm pretty happy with that so far. It is very much a walking simulator, but it's my walking simulator. Alright, so how do I fix this to only play once? I could be really cheap and just set a boolean, but I feel like the way to do this is to actually disable on trigger enter. Okay, so I guess making the audio source separate. Yeah, doing a separate audio source, I feel like. How would I drag one audio source to another? I definitely think I should disable these. I guess I could disable the colliders. Do what I did here. Alright. Now let's try to make this water better. Maybe make it more brown. I feel like if it's like water coming in from like the ground, it's gonna be kind of like muddy. I guess even if it's like muddy, it would still be. I feel like it looks the best when it doesn't really have color to it. Like that. Alright, whatever. That's decent. Alright, I want to add rocks and like more debris here. I think I'm going to copy a 3D model that I have from one of the other Unity projects I did. From that spaceship Endless Runner, I had a rock 3D model. So let's copy that. I should also probably fix a bunch of these crystal meshes. Oh my god, does the rock have a light on it? The rock, I exported the rock with a light. Oh my god, it still has the camera and the light on it. Why does it have the... Why does it have the camera and the light? That triggers me, dude. Alright, I think we're gonna do some 3D modeling. I want to fix these crystals, and I'm gonna do a better rock. Or at least a rock that doesn't have lights and stuff included. So what crystals do I have to replace? Crystal 0 is good, crystal 1 is scuffed. And then crystal 3 is scuffed. I guess I could just do a tetrahedron crystal. Do an octahedron though. Oh wow. Look at all these presets. That's nice. Alright, let's check the normals to make sure our faces aren't messed up like last time. Alright, the normals are pointed correctly. I'm looking at this crystal though, and it is basically the same thing. Actually, no, it's a bit different than this one. Okay. Alright. Crystal 2 is the good one, right? Yeah. Alright, so now crystal 1 is fixed. Now we'll fix crystal 3. Let me look at the gem. Okay, yeah, that's like a diamond. Alright, that one's decent. Let's check if the face normals are right. The face normals are correct. I think we can also optimize and dissolve. Yeah, we can. Alright. There we go. Optimization. Okay, so there we go. And you know what? I think we could reuse some of these crystals as rocks too. But I'm gonna be lazy, and I'm just gonna drag a whole bunch of vertices around. Until this no longer looks like a sphere. Alright, there's a rock. And then we're going to modify this again. We could actually, I think, apply... I wonder if any of the deforms here would actually make it look... Actually, yeah, not bad. Just to give us a little bit different looking. Alright, there's another one. Let me just check the normals again just to be sure. Yeah, okay. I don't know why that one time with those crystals it exported with broken faces. Like, I actually don't know because I did the exact same thing every single time. It's kind of weird. Let's check these just to make sure. Yep, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. I think I will calculate normals here. I like Unity's calculate normals. You can get like just the right amount of smoothing that you want. Okay. Now let's try putting our rocks in. There we go. Now, I don't know if I want to use the same texture as the cave system. I should have just copy and pasted this. Is there a way to copy? Unity copy and paste material. Nope, I don't think there's any way to copy and paste. Okay. Fair enough. Okay, so maybe I won't use the same stone texture again. Wait. Does this actually have UVs? It actually does. Okay, I'm still going to use the world space shader because it will be more consistent between objects. So we can add just a very tiny bit of tint. Make these different. And I don't know about a mesh collider. How well does this match to a sphere collider? Alright, it kind of matches a sphere collider. I guess I could do a mesh collider for it. No, I think that sphere collider will work. I think I should do one with dirt too. Maybe the stone should be darker. Man, world space texturing is the shit. It, like, not having to think about UVs is so beautiful. Like, it is so beautiful. He said who? I'm progressing in the game. The game of making a game. So this is supposed to look like stuff fell. I might put some like branches and stuff too. Maybe not. Yeah, I think we will. What was the material again? Was it under tree? Yeah. I need to get it so the tree doesn't look like it's floating. Alright, that's not bad. That is not bad. Let's get a bigger rock in there. And then we'll do a bunch of smaller rocks. There we go. There we go. That does not look bad. Alright, I want there to be some like stuff from a house here. So I was gonna put a chair in the house in the start that you start in. And then it was like, okay, I should put a chair or something here, and like it's fallen through the sinkhole or something. I'm just thinking, like, what other furniture could I do? Or like, what would be a sign that parts of a house had fallen through? This is supposed to be like, kind of like a support beam of a house. I should have actually made this a cube. Now that I'm looking at it, why did I make this a shitty mesh with a broken texture? I could have just made this a cube. Well, whatever. Alright, so I think one of these has chair. Maybe not. I could have sworn that Archipack actually had stuff for chairs. Maybe I'm just forgetting though. Yep. I guess they don't. Cabinets, shelves, curtains. I feel like there is a chair somewhere here. Olfactory, step builder, Minger sponge. No, I guess not. I guess we're building a chair. Alright. I'm gonna use the Boolean operators to cut the chair out of a block. I'm also wondering if the chair... I should maybe actually do a broken chair under the ground. It's a bit wide, but I can always scale it. So now we're gonna subtract out the bottom of it. And I probably should have done this like symmetrically, but if it's imperfect, that actually is like kind of realistic. What panel did I just... How do I open this panel that I just closed? What the hell did I do? Oh my god. What did I just press? Oh my god, there's so many keybinds. Jesus Christ. Blender. Maybe under window. I actually don't know what I closed. And I'm scared to just spam buttons. So this actually looks like what that looks like what I did. Well, whatever. Doesn't look 100% the same, but alright, there is a chair. I feel like maybe I should cut out. I should do some more details, like a cutout back probably. Or some like shaving off the side. Mining AMD GPUs. I think it's a huge waste of GPUs. Mining crypto sucks. Find the used GPUs used for mining at a lower price. Is it safe? Ah, man, I don't know. I feel like GPUs used for mining are probably already lower quality because they don't actually need, like, mining only uses like very specific parts of the GPU usually. Like you could have completely broken parts of like the rasterization system and parts of like circuits that literally don't work and give out like errors, and it wouldn't matter at all for generating hashing and stuff like that. So I don't know. Maybe I'll Vega 56. Yeah, I don't know. Buying GPUs right now, that's what I was literally about to say. I was like, just like talking about buying GPUs right now is, yeah. Alright, and then I feel like maybe I should do like a little like embedding right here. Vega 64 for $446. I don't know if that's worth it. I mean, GPUs are usually like a large chunk of the price of systems anyways, so like yeah, it's like it's bad, but it's kind of usual. But it is way worse right now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna apply a little bit of stuff around there. Maybe maybe with a Taurus. Vega 64 is on the level of a 1080 Ti. Oh yeah, that's not bad then. Yeah, I should have made this more square. I can always move these in though. My 950 was $220. Oh shit. Yeah, that's like that's the way it's going, man. I think it's gonna get worse for at least like 2 years at least. Yeah, I should have just used like a square for this. Oh, the twist might be cool. That looks like something has taken bites out of the chair. Might be better to spend a bit more and get a new card like an RTX 3060 Ti, but dude, it's actually ridiculous. Yeah, I almost feel like that actually sounds like a decent idea. GTX 960 was actually like 300, not 800. RTX 3060 is 800. That is fucking rough, dude. No, I'm not gonna do a torus. It looks weird. Let's try and do a round cube. Here we go. There we go. Nice. Move that down like right near to the bottom. Alright, we got a chair. Do I want to UV map it? I wonder, how do the UV maps work after Boolean operations? I guess I should check it out. Might be better at this point to buy bundles of pre-builts, or just ignore this until prices get better. A mid-end GPU shouldn't be $800. That I haven't said that for a while, but actually when I looked a few years ago, it was actually a funny thing I found is that pre-builts actually had GPUs for cheaper than you could actually buy. And I think that people building their own is so popular now that there's a bunch of pre-builts that actually have decent GPUs that are just sitting there not being sold because people want to build their own. Just a theory. Just a theory. Alright, let's check. How do these UVs work? Wow. Wow. Wow, they're fucked up. Imagine that. They are fucked up. I'm not really surprised. UVs are regularly screwed up. I think I'm gonna use world space texturing again, cause yeah. Some good bundles I saw. Some bundles I saw that are actually good deals. Well, actually, never mind. Oh man, Newegg is not very good right now, or hasn't been for a while. I think Newegg isn't what it used to be. Even before like all of these the things. Alright, now I think I want to make a broken chair too. So let's do quick effects, cell fracture, add a bit of noise, maximum. We'll limit the number. Did that work? I think that kind of worked. Yeah, bro, that GPU is $709 on Best Buy. Oh my god, so here's it. Wow. Yep, so Best Buy has better prices. Wait, am I dumb? Oh yeah, I am. I am dumb. It is adding a rigid body. What shape should we use? I think a convex hull. It's hilarious. eBay has worse prices. It's actually stupid. Some of the GPUs cost more used. I think it's like also like scalpers are that is like supreme spot for scalpers. Alright, so I'm trying to simulate this shattering. Let's see if it works. I'll just buy it from some weird web shop. Maybe if I can find an MSRP. These GPUs are expensive even at MSRP. Yeah. Alright, is this gonna work? Oh my god. That normally doesn't work. Holy shit, it worked, dude. That's fucking crazy, man. Dude, I can't remember the last time I've had cell fracture physics just work like that. With nothing went flying off into oblivion. None of the physics glitched out. That was honestly beautiful. Let's see if anything fell through the ground. I don't even think anything fell through the ground. It's glorious. How do I guess let's just try exporting this right now. Broken. Did that export with the animated? Or do I need to bake the rigid bodies? It did! There we go. The faces are broken. I don't think any of the faces are broken either. Hallelujah. Here's our dining chair we made. Okay, so let's put... Is this the house table material? Yeah. I feel like I should have a little bit of a normal map for this, but I'm not sure what normal map I would do. Maybe a little bit of bark. Whatever. Well, I'll try this when I put the... the broken thing here. Oh my god, oh god, okay, never mind. I need to join these. These are all separate meshes currently. So it exported like 16 different separate tiny meshes for each of these chunks. So I have to remember now. Apply transformation. I think, wait, let me make sure. Yeah, okay, so now it's reset. So now we can join all these. And then we can export them as joined. Okay. Much better. Is this insanely small? Oh, it's not centered. Is this world space? No, okay. Keep my money, what a waste, to be honest. Man, I'm a fan of, like, I'm gonna try to get this to run on, or I have literally run, part of the reason I'm using the universal render pipeline for this is because I've used it on PCs that don't have GPUs and just have integrated graphics. I honestly think there's like a really dumb obsession over GPUs right now, when it's like, it is frankly amazing that CPUs can actually like nearly do what GPUs do. I should organize these things. I just have a whole bunch of objects. I'm just kind of like strewn about. All right. Wait. Why am I even using the regular bark shader instead of the bark world space? That doesn't need to have messed up UVs. Oh yeah, okay, so there's no colliders right here on a bunch of these. Kind of annoying when it's not really centered on the object. There we go, I think that's good. And then I should just place like a box collider. You know what, I'm just gonna expand this sphere collider and use it to just block off this area. Just one collider for all of this. Alright, I think I'm going to add another audio trigger past here. I think I'll do this cave like background music. I'm just not sure if I want to make it go faster or slower. Damn, that's creepy, man. Still not what I'm looking for. Okay. I think that's good. I think that is good. So let's do an audio trigger for that right here. So I should do, I should organize this a bit. There we go. That immediately just organized it a lot more. Alright, now let's do background audio. Set it to the cave background song. And we'll put that so that the player hits it when they're walking along. Alright, and I want to do it so that you can only trigger it when you actually pass over the log. I wonder if that'll work. Let's see if we can go through these colliders or anything here. Oh, I set this to use a world space shader before and it had issues. Ah, yes. You can see the wood texture moving. Well, shit. let's test out the audio and then I'll fix the texture. Yeah. Okay, I like that. Dude, it sets an ambience. It sets an ambience. Okay. Let's fix that material. I could do local space bark. Alright, also, I never actually programmed this. To go from one scene to the other yet. I should actually connect the parts of the game at some point. I also need to make a pause menu and menus. But that's okay. Alright. That's gonna be it for tonight. So we're actually gonna like meet the aliens. So I actually already scripted that it's gonna be little alien spiders. I already scripted them here with a little procedural animation so they like follow the player. And I have a few ideas for them, like I'm gonna make them jump at the player and hopefully do like jump scares with them where like a bunch of spiders like fall on you. They look kind of buggy though. And they're not spiders because they only have 3 legs. So I should stop calling them spiders, but I think they would actually be creepier if it's smaller. But they like walk across the walls and stuff. Anyways, a bunch of those are gonna fall and fall on you. I think they're actually creepier if they're a bit smaller and come at you faster. Like, I think that's more creepy. And then having like hundreds of those. Kind of dumb, but also like the whole idea is I want them to be like customizable, so like I can have them just like chase you like that. I could have them jump at you to do like a literal jump scare where I'm thinking they're gonna like sit on the ceiling and then like drop on you. And then like I don't know like what I feel like there could be jump scares that aren't like a boulder falling on you or something, or like a boulder falling in front of you. Like it's not actually like an entity or anything that scares you. Either way, I am oh yeah, I was gonna put a collider here. And stop people from climbing up here. I'm honestly pretty happy with it though. Like, I think it is turning out better than I was feeling about it. We'll see though. Oh my god, the particle system hits the sphere collider. God damn it. So I have to under collision, I need to turn off collides with ignore raycast. There we go. Yeah, not horrible. You can tell it's supposed to be water. I feel like that might be too loud. So this section, I almost feel like there's too much walking, but I could make the player walk faster during this section, so it goes faster. Yep. Alright. That is feeling good. That is feeling good. Alright. That's gonna be it for the development tonight. Just like, that was kind of polish. Just fixing up colliders, stopping you from going out of bounds, adding little details, and adding little audio triggers. But nice progress, nice progress. Alright. That was you know what? I've actually been streaming kind of consistently. This game is good for streaming consistency. Consistently just saying like I'm gonna make this even if it's trash. It ends up with me streaming each day, so that's nice. All right. Have a good night, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.